Now let's review compound subjects and predicates. Let's start off with compound subjects. A compound subject is formed by two or more nouns that make up the subject of a sentence. The nouns are joined by the coordinating conjunction and or. Let's look at the example below. Movies and plays are the best. Movies and plays is the compound subject in the sentence because it is two nouns that make up the subject joined by the coordinating conjunction and. Now let's look at compound predicates. A compound predicate names two or more things the subject did or does. A compound predicate is also formed with a coordinating conjunction. In the example below, actors sing and dance in the show. Sing and dance in the show is the compound predicate because it names two things the subject did using the coordinating conjunction and.